Are you feeling swamped by the endless cycle of content creation for your business? Me too, child. You're not alone. But what if I told you there are 5 game-changing tools that have completely transformed how I manage social media? And it makes it not only manageable, but really a powerful magnet for attracting brand new clients. So what I'm about to do is lift the curtain on the secret weapons that keep me sane and keep my content strategy on fire. Well, maybe not on fire, but at least a little lukewarm. Number 1 is Notion, because it all starts with planning the content. And after going back and forth for several years trying different ways to manage my ideas for posting on a few different platforms, I really just settled on Notion. I actually downloaded a free content planning template, and then I managed to modify it a little bit and customize it to meet my needs. So I'm going to link where I got it in the description. In every single one of my coaching programs for content creators, one of the first things I ask them to do is to come up with a list of 100 video ideas. This Notion template right here, that's where I do just that. So whenever an idea pops into my head, I add it to my content ideas. Once I do that, I can add whatever date I'm going to film, what date I want to post, what platform I'm going to post on, and I can assign it a status. That way, when ideas are flowing, I'm just typing in a topic and I'm setting the status as an idea. Later on, when I'm closer to like filming the content, I'll add a script or an outline or some notes about what I want to say. The next tool that's been a lifesaver for me as a solopreneur without much of a team is Descript. This is an editing program that lets me edit my content simply by cutting out words and phrases. So it has this feature also to make sure that you're making eye contact, but I honestly haven't tried that yet because I'm afraid that as big as my eyes are, it would look really scary. Moving on, I am a big believer in working smarter and not harder. And although I do create some short form content from scratch, one of the reasons I love incorporating YouTube videos as a part of my marketing strategy is that I can do so much with just one fairly short YouTube video. What I can do is import my video into this app called Munch, and using AI, it spits out dozens of short clips that I can post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, for YouTube Shorts, wherever I'm posting short form content. That's how I reach my goal of posting valuable content, relevant content, nearly every day on every social media platform that I'm active on. Next is Canva. I simply cannot live without my Canva. I use it for so much. I use it to design thumbnails for YouTube, my Instagram reel covers for Instagram posts, and I even grab B-roll to use in my YouTube videos. I have created all the slides that I use for my webinars and my course content too. I use it to create the most beautiful lead magnets, if I do say so myself. Actually, I can't take full credit for the design of certain things that I'm working on. Although this isn't one of my top tools, it is worth an honorable mention, and that is Creative Market. On Creative Market, I can buy templates and then customize them with my brand colors and my fonts. What's great about it is they're really inexpensive, only like $20 or $30 each. And speaking of repurposing, I am going to create an Instagram post sharing the highlights of this YouTube video using a Canva template. So I've got my content planned, filmed, edited, designed, and munched. Now I need to post it. Remember how I said part of my strategy is to post on a few different platforms? Okay, that's where Loomly comes in. But before I show it to you, I want to let you know that as a busy entrepreneur with a full-time job, the best way for me to get things done is to batch film. So what I'll do is film up to 4 YouTube videos and maybe 4 or more short form videos in one day. This takes me about 2 hours. I've tried other scheduling apps, and to date, this Loomly app is the winner, hands down. What I do is simply import the content, tell Loomly where and when I want to post it, and boom, I've got at least 2 weeks worth of content that's going to automatically post on a bunch of different platforms. And there you have it, the top 5 tools that I absolutely love that have revolutionized the way I create, edit, design, repurpose, and schedule content across all the social media platforms that I'm active on. And as a busy entrepreneur, these tools have not only saved me, I don't know how many hours, but they have really elevated my content game. And this allows me to attract more clients and propel my business forward. If you're a business owner and you're looking to elevate your content game, I can help you do that. Let's chat about it. You can schedule a free call with me. Check out the link in the description of this video. And I want you to remember this. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. And I believe that with the right tools in your arsenal, you can master the art of content creation and turn your social media presence into a client attracting machine. So if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share it with somebody who needs it, and subscribe for more insights on growing your business with social media.